This is Peggy's Cove today, not a soul in sight. This is the major tourist attraction on pretty much any day before COVID-19.
We've had a huge economic loss.
John Campbell's restaurant is open now, but not many are coming. He says an Atlantic bubble will help.
It will help tremendously because we have nothing.
The Atlantic provinces continue to restrict access to varying degrees. The regional bubble would allow residents to move freely without isolating.
That would be exactly what we need, I think, right now.
This Dalhousie University professor specializes in tourism management.
The economic fear is now well outweighing the fear of the health risk.
Sheehan says typically about 50% of the people who visit Nova Scotia and places like Peggy's Cove come from elsewhere in Canada and around the world. The other half are already coming from within the region, but he says now is the time for the Atlantic provinces to start marketing themselves to one another. But so far, the Atlantic premiers are not all committing to the idea.
You know, it's an interesting discussion, something that, we can look at, but now is not the time for us.
We agreed over the next few weeks to have our authorities work together.
Campbell has already started purchasing local ads.
I think for me, if I ever came close to probably 50% of normal revenue, I'd top any goal I had. So we're not going to get there, but it will keep people employed.
Fish and chips.
His message to other Atlantic Canadians is that what is perhaps the most photographed lighthouse in the world is worth crossing a provincial border. Kayla Hounsell, CBC News, Peggy's Cove, Nova Scotia.